well, money is here. This is a multimeter, and the flat earth girl is at my home. You have to bring the black cable on the COM and the red cable on the, ich mag's nicht lesen, on the V. And earthing, yeah, the Steckdose is not very clean. And when I touch the flat earth girl, you can see it goes down. And it's not a joke. I'm touching here. It goes down to 400. That's really crazy. But yeah, and now look, I left the flat earth girl. It goes up to 1200. And when I touch here, I touch the flat earth girl, it goes down. That's crazy. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, but yeah. That's crazy. Flat arms in the shadow. Auch am Flachen. Yeah.